Hi there, this is our Cosen C-320NC, Taiwanese, good quality. This one ticks over nicely. It's got a few features on it, chip conveyor. This one's got the rack style vice system on it, and got your wire brush here, and somebody's fitted an air or pneumatic cleaning slash cooling feature there and here for cleaning the blade. I'll just take you through things and pair it up. So general condition is good. It's done plenty of work, but got plenty of life left in it. It's got the adjustable vice pressure for your different clamping if you're clamping and cutting something that's thin-walled or soft. So I'll just switch that light on. So there's your light going. That's the coolant pump running. I haven't put fluid in it, but assume that's working fine. You've got the few features on it, one being obviously you can do a manual cut, and then you can run a simple auto program. The auto program can have up to 20 steps in it. That rear shuttle vice goes back and forward to feed your material in, obviously. So I'll just start the hydraulic pump up. You've just got a wee control valve, variable speed for that chip conveyor. So that's operating nicely. It's hydraulically driven. So I'll clamp that front vice, start that blade up. So it's got your quick approach. Then when it hits you about 10 mil above the material, it slows down, and then these two setups here control how fast it comes down. So I've got it on not coming down at all. So you've got your variable blade speed. So I'll wind that blade speed right up and then down. So that's just a wee pod thing there. So I'll take that up and open that up so next time it will actually cut and come down. Take your, so for a manual cut, for instance, you can move that shuttle vice, you won't be able to see it, back and forward, etc. And it just gives you the readout of the length. So if you wanted to do a manual cut, you could just take that shuttle vice back, read off how long you want it, and then start that manual cut. So a manual cut would typically be, close that front vice, would be that. So I'd take my shuttle vice back, and then it's just going to do a manual cut. So I've got that downward speed of the bow set very fast, but basically that'll just show you a simple manual cut anyway. So there it is, it's done its manual cut. So I'm going to take that bow up now. Have a look at the auto program. So I've got 3 steps in there. The first one's one off at 50. Second one is 3 off at 100. And the third one is 2 off at 200. So I'm going to switch that to auto and then start that program. So it's rapid advancing. The other thing that it's got with that shuttle vice, when you're taking it back and forward for doing a manual cut setup and you want it to be accurate, it's also got a slow speed approach for that as well. So it's just running through that auto cycle, it's moving that shuttle vice back and going through that program. Opening the front vice. It senses your height of your material, so just reproduces that. that's done that first cut at 50. It's got one more cut to do at 100, so we've told it to do 3. So that's its last at 100. And then that shuttle vise is going back for its 200s now. So that's its 200s coming in, doing that cut. Going back for its next 200. Opening that front vise, shuttling that 200 in, and this once it's finished this cut, that'll be the end of that program. Yeah, it's got that feature of that retract to save you hitting your burrs on your way up, and that's finished that auto program, and just your simply stop there. So there's not a lot more to tell. Yeah, the machine ticks over nicely and it's got plenty of life left in it.